Reading with Val. Hi everyone, my name is Valerie. Before we start, I'm going to put something very quick on. Okay, we're ready. So now I have my helmet on, my trusty helmet. And I did a video, you might remember it, with this helmet on. But today we're going to add another aspect, the ball, the basketball. So, I'm sure many of you might know what book I'm talking about. It is the Derby Daredevils, Book 3, Tomoko Takes the Lead. This book is by KIt Rosewater and illustrated by Sophie Escabasse. I'm really excited for this book. It is part of one of my favorite series, the Derby Daredevils. This book is a realistic fiction book, and I would rate this a 10 out of 10. I probably look very clumsy in this, but we're just gonna roll with it. So Tomoko Takes the Lead is about our main character, Tomoko. She has a lot of issues and struggles standing up for herself. A lot of people like body shame her at school and like just random people, and they're also racist. And Tomoko Takes the Lead. The title is named Tomoko Takes the Lead because Tomoko basically takes the lead. She stands up for herself. Also, the Austin League, which is her team and the league they're in, are going to Dallas for a week of roller derby camp. And basically, Tomoko really wants to go, but it's like new moves, new people, new friends. It's just not new environment. It's not really vibing with her. And like she really doesn't want to go, but all of her friends are going, and it'd be a really, really boring summer, 1 week of summer without her friends. So she goes, and she deals with this girl named Emma. She makes fun of Tomoko's weight, and also she makes fun of her culture. Tomoko, at the end, she stands up for herself and everything that she believes in too. And there's a little part in this book where the team gets lost in the wild without like a cell phone or a grown-up, just by themselves. They don't know where to go. And Tomoko takes the lead by using her wilderness skills to help them possibly get back to the camp. But I'm gonna let you find out for yourselves. It's a really tense part of the book because, if you were lost in the middle of nowhere with your friends, but like it's like you don't have a phone, grown up, any of the like essential things, I'd be really scared. But Tomoko does take the lead. I really like Tomoko in the book because she's there's so much character change. In the beginning of the book, she was really shy, and she didn't like being alone. She wasn't outgoing. But those are like her weaknesses. She was still a very nice person, but during the end of the book, she found out how to stand up for herself without feeling doubtful. She really took her strength, like her power to stand up for herself, used her words to push back all the bullies and the haters. I love Sophie Escabasse's drawings, artwork. They are so phenomenal, so cool, so amazing. and I really enjoy looking at all the illustrations in the book. I would recommend this book to kids between the ages 8 through 11. This book is an amazing book. It has to do with friendship, teamwork, sticking up for yourselves, and also believing in what you believe in. Thank you to KIt Rosewater for bringing me this book. I really, really enjoyed it. I enjoy all of your books. And she did sign it. It says, for Val, thank you for being part of the team, KIt Rosewater. Yay, thank you so, so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. See you guys later. Bye!